research and trying to get results is a lot of failure. It's 99% failure, and when you finally do get that result, it's really gratifying, and it's great to be a part of that. I'm a scientist and professor at the School of Freshwater Sciences at the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee. I love finding the answer. I love a puzzle. In the morning, we'll be out popping manhole covers or knee-deep in beach water, and in the afternoon, we'll be sequencing DNA. We really started out just with the question of why is South Shore Beach closed? Somebody walked up to me and said, hey, we have all these beaches closed, there's E. coli in the water, can you tell where it's coming from? And my background in science and my background in microbiology kind of led me to say, yeah, maybe we can figure that out. And that was probably in 2001, and ever since then, all my research has worked towards understanding beach closings and then more broadly, what's going on in our watersheds. We'll go out and collect just traditional field samples, but then we really take things a step farther. We'll filter those samples so we capture all the cells, and we'll lyse the cells, extract the DNA, and then we can use DNA technology and sequencing technology to develop better bacterial indicators. You hear about E. coli at the beach. Well, we're looking for all kinds of other crazy bacteria called Lactospiraceae or Catalococcus, because those are the ones that are specific to the animals that will tell us that's the smoking gun, that's who's polluting your beach, or that's who's polluting your river. The whole project is to figure out why we see E. coli in beach sand, because sometimes it's there with no pollution, and it might even be growing in the sand. So one of my students, Natalie Rumball, has got a great project right now where she's really trying to figure out what is it within the E. coli itself, the genetics within that E. coli that allow them to grow in the sand.
I'm trying to get rid of some of the background noise and give a more accurate reading of what E. coli is actually being introduced. I propose that there's naturalized populations of E. coli that kind of belong in the sand.
We drink fresh water. We need that water to be clean. We use it for recreation and how we are land stewards, because everything that goes on in the land eventually washes into the water. I think we have such a jump on other communities, and we can really be the leaders to share our knowledge with other cities and other communities that need to deal with, water problems or water opportunities, like how do we manage stormwater? How do we build green infrastructure? How do we keep our beaches clean? How do we advance technologies that help us keep our water clean?